everybody, Alistair Young here again with Remax and Young Real Estate, and I'm so excited to tell you about one of our most incredible new listings. It is this beautiful big family home behind me, nestled in a gorgeous quiet area of Guildford. This home has got 4 bedrooms, 2 kitchens. It's on a big flat fence, 7,800 square foot lot, and it's ripe for development for townhouses. So if you'd like more information on this home, we've got floor plans, 3D, aerial videos, anything you need, or if you'd like to take a look, give me a call. Alistair with Remax and Young Real Estate.